Vision is the ability to look beyond what you can see. Your physical eyes can grasp a lot in the physical realm. If you don't see the spiritual, then you will be limited to the physical. When you read the book of Nehemiah, you will see economic problems, you'll see justice issues. Folks were oppressing the poor. You see strife, you see family difficulty, you see violence. All that's in the book of Nehemiah, and the folk were distressed. How can I take the vision God has shown me, burdened me, and given me, and transfer it for something He lets me to see that creates a burden in me? A kingdom vision is a vision where you can see the change that God can use you to make in a world of desperation, because I see heaven wanting to make a difference through me on earth in a decaying culture.